Tired of just looking at your backyard? What if it could be more than just a space? What if it could be a source of income? At BrickWork, we're experts in helping homeowners like you unlock the hidden potential of your property. Thanks to California's Senate Bill 9 and Senate Bill 450, building a rental unit in your backyard is now easier than ever. SB 9 allows for the creation of up to 2 new residential units on a single-family lot, and SB 450 further streamlines this process. These laws remove many of the old barriers, making it possible to add a separate rental unit with its own address to your property. But navigating these new rules can be tricky. That's where BrickWork comes in. We handle the entire process for you from start to finish. First, we work with you on financing to make your project a reality. We can guide you through the financial options available. Next, we assemble the perfect team. Top-notch architects who know how to maximize your space, and experienced general contractors who will build your unit to the highest standards. Then, we act as your project manager, coordinating every step of the process, keeping you updated and stress-free. Imagine the possibilities: extra income, a boost to your property value, and a beautiful new space for you or your tenants. Stop dreaming, start building. Visit BrickWork.LA or call us today for a free consultation. Building your future, one backyard at a time.